Hello everyone, welcome back to Enjoying Gaming. Today, I was checking the news about RTX 5090, 5080, the retailers, if it will be in stock and so on. So I thought of making a video on which builds you can make in order to be ready for your 5090 and see maybe if you have enough money to build it or not, because it's not only the 2000, okay, or maybe $2,500 that you give for the card, but you need to have a very good PC in order to support it. Okay, for you, I have created three setups. One setup is with mid tower and two ones with full tower. Okay, let's begin with the one for the medium tower. This medium tower, it's things that are not the latest technology, so it is, let's say, a bit cheaper, or you can find them, okay, from friends or from other forums, much cheaper second hand. Okay, I made this using the PC Part Picker site. It's a very good site that we use for builds. Okay, for CPU, we chose the Core i9 4900. Okay, it's not the latest one, but it's one that you can find most probably already at second hand, or already with a cheaper price on Amazon and other retailers. CPU cooler. Okay, since it is a medium tower, we will be based on 120 millimeter fans. So we go with liquid Corsair iLink H150i, very good. For motherboard, okay, maybe it's a bit expensive, but I think it's a very good choice. Gigabyte Z7 790 Aorus Master. I have checked it; it's very good. Unfortunately, I didn't have the luck to check something from Asus, but okay, I will try to check one on the other videos. With this, you can use, okay, a DDR5 6000 memory from Corsair. Corsair versions are very good. Or you can also put Trident Z5. For storage, okay, I put, okay, you can choose Samsung 9090, 9070 Pro or Evo. Here I used my Kingston KC 3000, one 512 megabytes. It's just gigabytes here, but okay, it's typo. Which you can use for disk for to install your Windows, and one more KC 3000, 2 gigabytes to store your games and maybe some applications. Video card, okay, I put something that I trust last year, Asus Stuff Gaming. Okay, I don't have the 5090, but the 4090 that I have used and the 4080s, they were very good. So cannot here. Maybe you can put here 2000, 2500 euros. It's up to you. The price that we will make is without the 5090, because we don't know, maybe it's the final price for EABs, or okay, you can use the FE, so around 2000, so you can have the final price, plus that you can put your own fans. I didn't put any fan because it is a bit objective on what fans you want to put, etc. You can use the Corsair ones. I would recommend to use the Corsair QX 120. They're very good to use. They have very good results, and I'm very happy with my setup that I used last year's. Also, as a case, I would prefer to have an Evo box, or this a very amazing box from Corsair, 4000D. Or if you want it a bit more, with something a bit better, you can use 4000X, which I recommend fully. I have tested with a friend that it works very well. It has very good flow, and I really, if it was here at the PC part picker, I would use it for sure. For the end, okay, this build is around 1000 watt, as it is already recommended by NVIDIA. But the point is that being recommended doesn't mean that we need to be on the limit. So always it's not fine to use a power supply at a limit. So a power supply of not 1000 watt but 1200 would be very good. So this is I put my Corsair that I use and I'm very happy till now. Corsair RM 2000 X Shift. It's gold certified, fully modular, and it is awesome. It works very well. I never had any issue. Okay, the final price without the fans and the VGA is around $1,600. Now, if you put your FE and you can also add your fans, it may go a bit less than $4,000, unfortunately. But it is a build that you can find a lot of this stuff second hand from your friends or from forums, and I think the price will be much lower. Okay, for friends that they say that I supposedly support more Intel than AMD, if you want a full tower build used with AMD, you can use, if you can find, of course, the Ryzen 9800 X3D, an amazing Ryzen. Okay, please, you can, instead of this, you could buy an Intel 285. You don't need to have this extra 10, 15 FPS. But okay, if you are an AMD fan, okay, no problem. I'm with you. Use this. Together, since we are talking about a full tower, then you can use not 120 but 140 millimeter. Again, the QX, Corsair QX I would use. From Amazon at the moment, QX, okay, in Luxembourg it is around, in Germany around 133 euros. I guess without the VAT in USA it would be much less, at least 17% down. Okay, again the same discs, the same storage, doesn't change. I use the Tough Gaming, but here you put the one that you want to use. As for case, yes, I would go for Lian Li XL, Evo XL, amazing box. Else, if you want to stick with Corsair, I have a solution for you. You can go with 5000 DX or even with 7000. I have checked the 5000, it's an amazing box. It works very, very well. I haven't seen the 7000 one, so can have an opinion about it. Again, the power supply, I think that 1200 is enough. If you want to upgrade to 1500 watt, I think it's too much, but it's up to you. It's gold certified. I think that you won't have any problem at all. Now, for our friends that want to use Intel, again, a full tower setup, the Intel Ultra 9, the 285K processor, amazing one. A friend of mine uses it and it is very, very fast and it is very good at temperatures and at the watt that it uses. It uses much less watt than the 14700 or the 14900. If I'm mistaken, so it is a very good choice. Again, the same Corsair cooler H170i, because we're talking about 420 mm cooler. I'm sorry. Okay, for motherboard I put the Asus Zero. Okay, it is a bit expensive, but if you can find and a bit, if you can give 100 200 euros less, maybe you can find another Asus or Gigabyte of your choice. Okay, for memory you could use again some Vengeance, or you can go up to G-Skill 310. Of course, now we're talking about 8000 hertz. We go up. Okay, some people will say that 32 gigabytes is good, but not so much future-proof. We can have this discussion at another video, please let me know. Storage the same, video card the same. Box again, Lian Li Evo XL, amazing, or you can go for Corsair 5000 or 7000 box. Power supply is the same. The price here is around 2000, but it is the motherboard that makes the difference here. So if you can go 100 200 euros less, dollars, maybe you can go again to 1600 and 1700. Now you can put your fans, you can put your video card of your choice, and it will go again to $4000. Okay, I understand that it's not it's not a PC that it is cheap, but really, when you give around 2,000 euro to put an amazing card that we don't know yet about the temperature that it creates, the heat that it creates inside the box, and the results, I'm not sure. For sure, I would suggest you to go for a full tower. If not, there are many good medium towers, and you can give a few hundred euros, dollars less, because we are talking about a smaller box, and also you use 120 millimeter fans, which are okay, a bit cheaper. But for you to know, if you use, for example, okay, this is my example, at least from my experience, if you use the QX 120 fans, then at around 1200, 1100, you can have the same results putting in a full tower box 140 Corsair, and leave them at 700, 800 RPM, really. It's almost the same, and I can tell you that maybe it's even better one to use full tower. Okay, if it's not, if you don't have the money or you do not have the space, please suggest this. Please subscribe down the video if you have something to add, or if you want something to change. Please let me know. I'm here for you. That's it. Another video from Join Gaming. Soon we will have more results about the cards, and hope to see you soon. Bye.